Hi everyone! In this video we will order fractions. Compare the fractions using an inequality sign. Negative 2/3 compared to 3. The first thing we can do is notice that one is negative and one is positive. And when we do an inequality, we open the inequality to the larger of the two. And because negatives are smaller than positives, we know that our inequality will open towards the larger or the positive number. Now, if we didn't know that, we would need to do some calculations just to verify and to make an equal or equivalent comparison between the two. So to do that, we would need to find a common denominator. If this is what your problem looks like, then you can go ahead and stop the recording. If you'd like to learn a little bit more, we can go on further. So we would take negative 2/3 and we would make 3, and because 3 is a whole number, put it over a 1, making it a fraction, and find an equivalent fraction with the same denominator that we're comparing to. In this case, we need a denominator of 3. So to make this denominator 1 into an equivalent fraction with a 3, we would multiply the 1 by 3 to give us a 3. Then to keep the fraction equivalent, the ratio, we would multiply the numerator by 3. So 3 times 3 is 9, and we can see that 9 divided by 3 is 3, which means we didn't change the value or the ratio at all. So we can compare negative 2/3 to positive 9/3. Again, because we have a negative and a positive, we do know that the inequality will be opening towards the larger positive number. However, if you have one where the two numbers that you are comparing don't have the same denominator, you'll need to make an equivalent fraction with the same denominator to help make it easier to solve. In our case, we have a lesser than sign. The sign that opens up in this direction that looks like an L is called lesser than. And so we would read this as negative 2/3 is less than 3. And we're all done.